Let us have some foundation check. If you have 3 minus 2, the answer is 1. If you have 2 minus 3, the answer is -1. 2 times -3 is -6. -2 times 4 is -8. -3, -4 will make it positive 12. 6 times 1/3 is same as 6 over 1, 1/3. So it is 6 over 3. That means 2. And then addition of fractions. So this one you can easily do like this. 3 times 2 is 6. Do the cross multiplication here. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. So you are getting 5 over 6. In other words, people do with the common denominator. If you have like this, you multiply 3, 3, 2, 2 in the first. And then you get 2 over 6 plus 3 over 6. That gives you 2 plus 3 over 6. That means 5 over 6 already you have got here. So this one also you can do shortcut. You multiply 3 times 2 and then cross like this, 1 times 2 plus 3 times 1. So that gives you 5 over 6. So same way this one you can do here now. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. Minus 1 times 3 is 3. So that gives me -1 over 6. And then next one, 2 times 3 again gives you 6. Cross multiplication, 1 times 3 is 3 minus 2 times 1 is 2. So you get 1 over 6. Now this one, you have both negatives. You just write denominator. 3 times 4 is 12. You don't have to consider the sign. And then 4 times -1 is -4. And then 3 times -1 is -3. So that gives you -7 over 12. Now we are having a couple of examples with the exponent rules. If you have the same base, then the exponents you can add together. So you have 2 to the 3 times 2 to the 2. Same base, you can say 3 plus 2. So that gives you 2 to the 5. Next, you have 3 to the 5 and 3 to the 7 multiplied. So 5 minus 7. And as you know, 5 minus 7 is -2. 5 to the half and 5 to the 1/3. So 5 to the 1/2 plus 1/3. Now, as you know, with the exponent rule, you need to add 1/2 with 1/3. And you have seen actually 1/2, 1/3. When you add with the common denominator concept, you get a 6 in the denominator. And in the top, you get 3 plus 2. So that gives me 5 to the 5 over 6. Then I have next one is 5 to the half divided by 5 to the 1/3. So this one you'll write 5 to the 1/2 negative or minus 1/3. So you have 5 to the, now 2 times 3 is 6. Then you get 3 minus 2. So that gives you 5 to the 1 over 6. Next we have here like 3 to the 7 over 3 to the -2. So when you have division, then you subtract. That gives you 3 to the 7 plus 2, which is 3 to the 9. Next we have 2 to the half and 8 to the half. So 2 to the half, and then I have 8 to the half. Now what I do here, you know, 8 is actually 2 to the 3, and then 1/2. So that gives you 2 to the half, and then with the exponent rule, you have 2 to the 3 times 1/2. So finally, you see you have 2 to the half and 2 to the 3/2. So when you combine the exponents, is 1/2 plus 3/2. So altogether, common denominator you have already. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 over 2. This is 2 to the 2. The next one we have 5 to the -1/2. And since we have parentheses and another we have there, so it's negative 6/7. So that one is 5 to the 6/14, or you can simplify also. You could do here 2 divides 6 by 3. So then you could write this one is same as 5 to the 3/7, and we are done.